Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning a song, He is Exalted, and I'm going to be playing it in the key of F. Alright, so I'll play the song and then show you the chords. So these are the chords that I'm using. Chord 1. So He is exalted. So chord 1, the same chord 1 over the third chord. Alright, let me show you the basic chords that I played. I played chord 1. You can play like this. He is exalted. Then we move to chord 3. The King is exalted, and that's chord 4. I will praise Him. So you play 6, 5, then you start again. He is exalted, the King is exalted, and I will praise Him. That's for the first part. Then the second part. He is exalted, forever exalted, and I will praise His name. Now I played a suspended chord, a D sus4, or on this C chord I played a suspended chord to the major instead of playing a normal minor chord. I played a major on the right and then the minor on the left. Then He is the Lord. So I played a 2 rather, a chord 2, 1, then a 5 over 7. Then you can do a run. So it's like this. He is the Lord. So then you come back to 1. Forever His truth shall reign. So it's a 1, 3, 4. Then you continue, you do the same progression. Rejoice in His holy name. Then you do He is exalted, the King is exalted on high. So you do a 2, then you do a 6 sharp, then you come to 5, and then 1. So So that's it for the He's Exalted. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and thank you for watching.